Okay, maybe I shall ask. Director sir, അതൊരു കമ്മിങ് ടു ഏജ് മൂവി ആണെന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മളൊരു ഒറ്റ സെന്റൻസിൽ ഇതിനെ പറ്റി പറഞ്ഞ് ഞാൻ കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഷൂട്ടിംഗ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 75% ആയി എന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ സമ്മർ വെക്കേഷൻസിൽ തിയേറ്റർ ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് കേൾക്കുന്നു. എന്താണ് ഈ സിനിമ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു വിഷയം എന്താണ്?
കൂടുതൽ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് അങ്ങനെ ഇപ്പം ഡിസ്ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യാൻ
പറയണ്ട, എന്നാലും ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു
രണ്ടുപേരുടെ ലൈഫിലുണ്ടാകുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളിലൂടെ പോകുന്നു എന്ന് മാത്രമാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്.
ഭയങ്കര സർപ്രൈസ് സസ്പെൻസ് ഒക്കെ ആണല്ലോ. എനിവേ, എനിത്തിങ് എൽസ് ഫ്രം യുവർ സൈഡ്? ഞാനിവിടെ വെറുതെ ഒരു മോഡറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി ചോദ്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ വരുന്നത് നിങ്ങളുടെ സൈഡിൽ നിന്നാണ്. ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് പുട്ടിങ്. ഓക്കെ, എനിബഡി എൽസ്? എനി അതർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ?
This is the best press conference where there are no questions. I love this. I love this. This is super.
John sir.
I love coaching. Okay. Yes,
Somebody
yes, my
call
friend.
John, sir.
Excuse me. So how do you balance your career with variety movies are there? Also you are balancing it with the commercial ones. How do you balancing your career with the commercial ones as well as variety movies?
So that's a very good question. You have to balance commerce with content, and usually if you can marry the two, then you've got a magic potion. Most of the times that doesn't happen. So we make commercial films, they work, sometimes they fail. Where J Entertainment is concerned, we curate all our content. We work on our content. Usually the germ happens from my brain. I decide that I want to make a film on nuclear testing, or I feel that I need to make a film on the assassination of my ex-prime minister, and then we write for months and months and months, and there have been more films, more scripts than the ones we released, that after working on it for about 2 years, we've just taken it and thrown it in the bin. It's never seen the light of day after a script stage. So we curate our content, we work a lot on it as J Entertainment, and we want to launch fresh talent. And that's how we want to do it on the content front. Now when this content becomes successful, then it becomes commercial. So that's how we work. A good film is a good film, a not so good film is a not so good film. But the idea is to make a different film, a film that the audience sees for the first time. So that's what J Entertainment and that's what our production house really concentrates on, creating original content and different content.
So when it came to J Entertainment, you have introduced some like Ayushmann Khurrana. So what we can expect from the South cinema, from J Entertainment?
I can speak about the film. First, the fact that we're making a great story is good in itself. We've got a director who understands his craft, who's explained his craft very clearly as to how he sees the story. We've got two very able talent, and many more in fact, in the film. From the rushes that I've been seeing, I've been enjoying the process. But again, and this is, I really don't want to sit here and try and market a film when it's not ready. You never know how a film turns out till it's not put together. Scenes in individual spaces look really lovely. But once we put the film together, which is what I was telling Vishnu, we'll see how the film comes together, and we hope we make a good film by the end of it, and that's the aim.
Apart from this, Mike J Entertainment, about Pathan upcoming.
That's a long way away. It's a long way away.
Thank you.
Press, where are these?
ഒന്ന് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ചോദിക്കണം. യെസ്, ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി.
Hi, John sir. Myself Jana Hamid, and I'm portraying role of Swati in this film. So, you said when Vicky Donor came to you, you found the concept very novel and it was ahead of its time. So, I would say Mike has also got a very new and novel concept. It can also be said it's ahead of its time. Very much different and unique its concept. So I want to know how confident you are and what do you think about how our audience will welcome our film, its concept. how our audience is going to enjoy this film?
I think it, you know, as a Hindi film producer, if I was speaking as a Hindi film producer,
Okay.
I'd want to remake Mike into Hindi.
Super.
You know,
Awesome. Yes.
so that's a big parameter in how you want to judge this. So when I give the one line, in our parlance we call it a one-liner. Can you narrate the story in one line? So when we narrate that, when I narrate this idea to a lot of my producer director friends, they say, hey, we want to make this in Hindi. So that's a big indicator as to how excited
It's big
people are about the subject.
Yes.
And the subject's really, really beautiful. It's a stunning subject.
Yes, exactly. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for the question. Who else?
John sir, give me fitness tips for us. Fitness tips. Fitness tips.
I can give it to you, but if you don't follow it, then what?
I'll follow it.
Follow it, okay?
Yeah, definitely.
So don't drink, don't smoke. My father loves the single malt. I'm a Mallu half. Don't forget. So I'd say you know, you have to be on a very, very strict diet. I've not had sugar in the past, I think 30 plus years. So I'm very regimental about my food. I train every day. I'm predominantly practically vegan, but I'm vegetarian. So I've turned vegetarian. So I'm speaking.
What about protein?
I'm speaking to plant-based. So I'm speaking to an audience that really finds this concept very different and novel. But if you really want to lead a very disciplined life, it will take me a long time, and I can explain to you, and you could transform yourself. And it's worth the effort. Trust me.
Thank you.
Okay, Appo, start from tomorrow. All the best. Okay, so next question.
മലയാളം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും ഇനി മീഡിയ
Will we ever get to see the Kabir magic again?
We're planning something in that space, probably for 2023.
Cool.
We hope it turns out the way we want it to turn out. Can only hope for the best.
All are looking forward for it.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so
much.
When can we see you in a Malayalam movie?
I'll need Vishnu and Ranjita Nash to really help me with this whole process now. And if they can take me through this process, I'll definitely do it. And I've got enough friends here now who can help me with this process, and we'll set up something interesting. But yeah, I wouldn't mind actually to start with, and on a very serious note, at least do some kind of an appearance to get myself and step in here, because I'm such a big fan of the cinema, of the actors here, be it Mohanlal sir, Mammootty sir, be it Prithvi, be it you mentioned everybody, Dulquer, you mentioned everybody is so fantastic here. Fahad Fasil, you know, I saw Malik and I fell in love with it. It is so beautiful, and you know, every film, Ayappan Koshi, Naidu, you know, every film is so evolved, so lovely, that I've become such a big fan. So it's an honor actually for me to be working in this space. Now I have to find my foothold, learn the ways, and probably grow in this space.
Yeah. Yes. So that was one from me. And now?
Hi sir, my name is Nabir and I'm from Cinema Pagal. And so I've been following you for, actually I think since Doom. And I've seen you as a producer in a Bollywood film, I've seen you in different roles. So as your new step as a Malayalam film producer, how do you feel, sir? What has been your experience altogether?
I think it's been very seamless till now. I heard a narration of a story. I fell in love with it. I just thought it needed to be made. We've got the people around who are making it. And I hope the experience is beautiful when it completely works. But like I was just telling Ranjita and Aishwarya, I said, concentrate on the process so concentrate on the means rather the end. So what's important is you enjoy the journey, and I'm really enjoying this journey. And I'm very actively involved from Mumbai, because Eddie's in touch with me. He'll call me and he'll ask me John, tell me a little more about the Phantom camera. Why are we taking it? What are we doing with it? You know, and then I'll sit and I'll explain everything to him, and then he'll say, John, it's raining today, not a good day. So, you know, every day has been a battle, every day has been interesting. I think we've gone over by a few days, but I told Eddie, just concentrate on the process now and make sure that, you know, and the film's so beautifully shot. It's stunningly shot, and I saw I saw the lineup, and it's so beautifully written also, because everything I've been watching is working. Each scene works so beautifully, and it's in isolation. Now you need to see the film being put together. But the process has been lovely, to answer your question. It's been really, really seamless, and that's when you know things are okay, you know.
So you have been really inspiring for a lot of people, and we all hope that we get to see you in Malayalam films very soon, as a producer, as an actor, and maybe as a singer too, because I've heard your few interviews where you have sang few Malayalam bits.
If I sing, you'll all run away, huh?
Definitely we won't, sir. We won't.
We won't. So,
but honestly, but you know, honestly, as a producer first, I really want. It's a long stay for me. I want to be here. Thank you for your wishes. I really want to be here, and I really want to make good films, and good films happen. And I believe this is the hotbed of the best cinema in the country. So I really want the best cinema in the country to make even better films. So then we can go and show the world what we're capable of, you know.
So on behalf of Cinema Pagan, we wish Nick and all of John Abraham Entertainment good luck, and we are hoping to see the movie soon.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ഒരു പാട്ട് കേൾക്കാനുള്ളൊരു മൂഡില്ലേ എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ no, I was just discussing. Alright. Wow. ശരി, next question.
ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റിന്റെ ബാനറിൽ മൈക്ക് എന്നുള്ള മൂവി ജോൺ അബ്രഹാം സാറ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴേക്കും ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ഇവിടെ അനശ്വരം പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റും റൈറ്റും ഇരിക്കുന്ന നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും ഈ പടത്തില് ആദ്യം അഭിനയിച്ചപ്പോ ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് കിട്ടുമെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ എന്താണ് നിങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള ആ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് രണ്ടുപേരും പറയാമോ?
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjit. First experience in like acting has been something, performing has been something, and I'm very passionate career. You know, dancing and stage performances, I've been really enjoying that, and luckily I have such amazing parents who support me through this journey. And you know, to get this opportunity is such a blessing, Satyam Varnya, and not only that, I'm sitting right next to John Abraham. Holy, it's a crazy moment, but this opportunity is not something that everyone gets, and I want to make sure that I make the best use of it, because this is something I'm truly passionate about. And it's been a surreal experience. It's hectic on that, like it's a lot of it's a journey. Like John Sir said, like you have to enjoy the experience at the end of the day, and we've really been enjoying it. And the casting crew are really amazing, and we honestly cannot wait to show you what we've been cooking up. It's going to be great, and you guys will see soon. Thank you.
Yes, Anushwara. ഹായ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ചോദ്യത്തിന് എങ്ങനെ ആൻസർ പറയണമെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയില്ല. എന്നോട് ഫസ്റ്റ് വിഷ്ണുവേട്ടൻ സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് പറയാൻ വരുമ്പോഴും ഇത് ജെ എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ്സിന്റെ ആണ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴും ഈ വ്യക്തിയെ കാണണമെന്ന് എനിക്കൊരു ആഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എനിക്കിപ്പോഴും ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല ഞാൻ ഈ സ്റ്റേജില് ജോൺ സാറിന്റെ തൊട്ടടുത്ത് ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. ശരിക്കും എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ആണ്, നെർവസ് ആണ്. അത്രേ പറയുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, കഥാപാത്രത്തെ പറ്റി എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാനുള്ള സമയം ഡയറക്ടർ സാർ സമ്മതിക്കുമോ? ഇല്ല, no, never. But
Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening, Jordan sir. Yeah.
Hi, good evening.
My name is Fawaz, and I've been working out in gym for the last so many years, and it's just because of you I keep my body maintain. And I've been seeing you from last 10, 15 years, and this is my, my hands are shaking, but it's a dream come true moment. And it's just because of you, I go to gym every day and I keep myself fit. Thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Don't ever give up. Just keep going.
Never.
All right.